Hi everyone, my name is Brenda Medina Maldonado and I am the Student Greening Program Director at Sustainable Works. Sustainable Works is an environmental nonprofit based in Santa Monica and housed at the Sustainability Center. We are dedicated to teaching, implementing, and practicing sustainability. The student sustainability workshops are peer-to-peer, so each workshop is led by a student who has previously taken the workshops and has been inspired to come back and teach fellow students. Each workshop meets once a week for 8 weeks, and each meeting is 80 minutes. The topics discussed include water, energy, waste and shopping, chemicals, transportation, and food. Discussions and programming include PowerPoints, videos, games, and in-person or virtual field trips. The requirements to successfully complete the program are attending all 8 meetings, reading 7 workbook chapters, completing a before and after survey, completing sustainable actions every week, and completing 3 hours of community service or 3 at-home projects. These workshops are a great way to learn about sustainable practices, save money, and get extra credit from participating professors. Registration is open for 2 weeks, opening Monday, March 7th, and closing Friday, March 18th. Zoom links will be sent on Saturday the 19th with your assigned time slot. The workshops will begin the week of March 21st. All workshops are currently being held via Zoom. There is a possibility that the workshops will meet in person later in the program, but they will all start off on Zoom. The website to register is www.sustainableworks.org. Click on the Student Workshops tab and a pop-up where you can register will open. Spots are filling up quickly, so it is recommended you sign up as soon as possible. You can email me, brenda.medina-maldonado@sustainableworks.org if you have any questions. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the workshop soon.